Hi, this is Eyvette from my World of Metaphysics, and today I want to speak to you about a question that I get all the time, and that is why the law of attraction is not working for me. Yes, I get this question all the time. So if you want to know the answer to this in a simple way, watch this video all the way to the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell. If you're new to my World of Metaphysics, this is the Law of Attraction Metaphysical Life Coaching channel that brings you information in an easy to understand manner to help change your life. So now, let's get started. I'm back. Now, I get this question all the time. I really get this question for so many people around the whole world. Why isn't the law of attraction working for me? Again, I told you before, I'm sitting out here outside of my house on the docks. So I'm going to get a couple of boats that might pass by, but that's all right. I'll try to talk in between. Now, one of the main answers that I give to people when they sign up for my life coaching sessions is that you're trying too hard. So number one, you're trying too hard. You might say, well, Eyvette, we're doing everything that you tell us to do. Listen, when you try too hard, it's almost like you don't have faith that it's coming. So when you do this, you actually push away whatever it is. Trying too hard is causing stress. It's causing worry. You're looking around your shoulder. You're trying too hard. And when you do that, you're working from a level of doubt, of worry, of fear. So you actually push whatever it is you're trying to attract away from you. So the main reason why a lot of people do not manifest using the law of attraction and other universal laws is because they are trying too hard. So for all those people out there that's trying too hard, loosen up and have fun. Now, let's talk about another reason why the law of attraction is not working for you. Now, number two, and I'm going to say this very simple. I get people that write me, that contact me, and they say, Eyvette, I'm doing the law of attraction. And I'm like, doing what? I'm doing the law of attraction. You're never doing the law of attraction. The law of attraction is a universal law, and it is just it. No matter what. It occurs from the day you step into this world. It's going to be there until you leave. Law of attraction is not something that you do. It's something that is. So I'm going to get this clear with all of you again. It's something that is. Just like gravity, just like the law of gender, just like the law of seasons. You can't get around that. It's universal law. Okay? So the law of attraction is a way that you're going to manifest and bring things into your life. But it is what it is. Either you acknowledge it and take control of the direction you're going in, or you work on default. But it's not something you do. It's something that is. Now, let's move on to number three. Number three is, listen, people. People tell me, I'm trying to manifest this, I'm trying to manifest that. But let me just get this straight. Whatever it is you are focusing on is what you're going to get. Okay? Plain and simple. What you focus on is what you're going to get. It's just like people that go out and they pray in the church. They go out, they go to church, they pray, they say this, they say that. Soon as they step out of the church, they're talking about the person that was sitting on the side of them. Or they're talking about their husband, or they're talking about their children, or they're worrying about the job. Whatever it is you focus on is what you are vibrating towards, and that is what you're going to attract into your life. No matter how many times you do affirmations, visualizations, mirror work, scripting, no matter what it is that you do, whatever it is you focus on is what you're going to attract in your life. Now, let me just explain this to you. Some people attract things even faster in their lives. So when they get off focus, when they get off key, they attract things more in their lives faster than the average person. And I am one of those people, okay? It's no lie. I don't sugarcoat anything. I am a manifester. And the thing is that I attract things faster when I'm working in default. But I look at it as a learning lesson, and I take it, I try to correct it, and then I try to move on. Now let's get to number 4. Doubt. Listen, this is all part of our emotions. Doubt. There's a lot of people out there that say, Eyvette, I'm going to manifest $1 million. Okay, that's fine. And you might be one of those people that manifests $1 million. But deep inside, how are you feeling? Right now at this point, do you even have $100 in the bank? Whatever it is you're trying to manifest, doubt is the main culprit that will stop it from manifesting. What are you feeling deep inside? Okay? I tell people, start small. Build up your confidence so that when you do get out there and you try to manifest bigger things, it works and you're not in doubt. Doubt actually pushes you away from what it is you're trying to attract and bring things in that you didn't want. Let's just say you wanted that new car, but deep inside, you doubted if you can afford it. You doubted if you will be approved for the loan. These are type of things that will actually push you away from what it is you're trying to manifest and actually put you at a lower vibration to attract negative things. A lot of times when I see stuff like this, I see somebody trying to manifest something, and then all of a sudden what they have break down, okay? So please, doubt, if you have anything in you that's dealing with doubt, I advise you to work on the mirror work, knowing that you are deserving of whatever it is that you desire, okay? So now, let's get to number 5. Now, number 5 goes along with doubt, it goes along with worry, it goes along with everything. Whatever it is you truly believe, okay, it's going to strike up feelings. Those feelings is going to be your dominant beliefs. And those feelings is what's going to manifest, okay? Again, when you're doubting, those bring in your feelings, okay? When you want that new husband and you feel like you're not worthy of it, having that feeling of being unworthy brings in feelings. Whenever you're dealing with feelings, and strong feelings at that, you're going to manifest whatever it is you're feeling, okay? So I try to tell people, stay happy, whatever it is. Have confidence, stay happy, do whatever it is to keep those emotions up. Because again, the feelings, here's another boat, you guys. Those feelings is what's going to get you where you need to be. So again, if you're feeling worried, if you're feeling fearful, that is what you're going to manifest in your life. Now, let's get to number 6. Now, number 6 is something that we all should know about. It's those childhood beliefs. Again, we're going back to the beliefs, but I'm telling you guys, a lot of the times when you're not manifesting and you're not bringing up and you're not creating what it is you want in your life, a lot of it tends to go back to how you were raised, how you were taught to believe, and what the other people around you did and have. I tell people, hey, look, if you want to be a powerful manifester, if you want to create things in your life, get out and explore. Get out and meet new people. Get out and go where people are that have what it is that you want. By doing this, it's giving you that belief that you can have it too. If you're not around people that have what you want, then invest in time in learning about people that do. I'm telling you, if you want to be a deliberate creator, if you want to manifest the things in your life, you guys need to get out there and you need to enjoy things that the people that have what you want do. Okay, so now let's get to number 7. Now this is a powerful one. How many times do I get people saying they're going to manifest this, they're going to manifest that, just to look for it every second of the day, every minute of the day. They wake up looking for it. They go to sleep looking for it. Again, When you work and you're trying to manifest something in your life and you're looking for it every minute of the day, you're actually working again in default. Again, you're working in default. Give it up. Let it go. It's not going to manifest for you if you're looking for it every second of the day. Now, let's get to number 8. Number 8. Some people out there, they say they're manifesting this and manifesting that, and then they speak it right out of their life. I want, I can't. These are words that actually repel you from whatever it is that you want in your life. Some people say, I will have. It depends on your feelings. But if you have any type of doubt or anything in there, I will have is actually placing whatever it is you're trying to manifest in the future. And that's where it will stay. Keep everything that you're trying to manifest in the present. If it's in the present, you're looking at it as if you already have it. So if you're working from this level, you are actually saying to your subconscious, I have this. This is what I have. And you're putting your vibration at that level, at that frequency of having it, which in return will raise your consciousness up to the level of where you want to be, having that actual object or that situation in your life. So what I'm telling you is when you speak as if you already have it. Do not let what you see fool you, because on the spiritual level, you already have what it is that you want. So I'm telling you, if you want something, speak about it as if you already have it. Fake it until you make it. Walk around as if you already have it. Don't worry about what is on the physical, because that right there is not what we're working from. We're working from a spiritual level, and that level is what is going to bring about on the physical level what it is you desire. Remember, whatever it is that you desire already exists. You just have to bring it into the physical realm and manifest it for yourself. I get the question, why isn't the law of attraction working for me all the time? And I'm reaching out to you guys to let you know the law of attraction is not something that you do. It's just something that is. And once you realize the steps that you're taking is actually propelling you away from what it is you're trying to manifest, you'll then have a change in your vibration, a change in your consciousness, and you will actually get and reach where you need to be. So listen, this is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics. I'm sitting out here on the docks, and I just wanted to make this video to let you guys know you're not alone. Do not think you're the only one out there that's not manifesting what it is that you desire. We all at some point come across these situations, and at that time we have to sit back and say, why am I doing this? What's going on, and how can I correct it? So again, this is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics, always bringing you the law of attraction, metaphysical knowledge that help change your life. Please follow me at myworldofmetaphysics.com. You can also visit me at store.myworldofmetaphysics.com, where you can buy crystals and metaphysical items. Again, this is Eyvette. Namaste.